Hey guys, thanks for tuning to the channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Here's one crazy maiden coming at you. There you go. See what I'm saying? Nice. And you should be able to rotate now. There you go. There you go.
Oh no, that's something that's got to come down.
That's the E-Flite.
It's got to come down.
It's not flying right?
It's got safe mode on it when we turn it.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay. Cutting right through this wind. It looks like it's doing pretty good. Got all trimmed out for flat and level. There you go. Flies good with a tailwind. There we go. Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Now you see.
A little black dot.
There you go. The wind's going to help you. There you go. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Nice. There you go. This one for the books.